Now the next is linkage of amino acids. Linkage of amino acids means how two amino acids they are joined together. Because different amino acids, these 20 different amino acids, they join in different sequences to form different type of proteins. So this is one amino acid with COOH carboxyl group, amino group, hydrogen, and this is the side chain. हम इनकी पोजीशन इंटरचेंज करके दिखा सकते हैं. Another amino acid with carboxyl group, amino, side chain, and hydrogen. These two, carboxyl group of one amino acid and amino group of another amino acid, they will bind together, join together. How? यहाँ से OH और इसमें से एक H that will be released as a water molecule. तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा? This is NHCCOOH H and R. ये मैंने यही लिखा सेम NH2RCH. कैसे बॉन्ड बनेगा अगर इसमें से वाटर निकल जाएगा? ये COOH चला गया बीच में से और यहाँ से एक H चला गया NH2 में से. तो ये क्या रह गया हमारे पास? This bond that is CONH. This bond is called the peptide bond which links or which joins the two amino acids. This is called peptide bond. Depending upon the number of peptide bonds, it can be, if two amino acids are joined, this is a peptide bond. If there are two peptide bonds, or we can say three amino acids are joined together, it will be a dipeptide. If four are joined, it will be tripeptide, polypeptide, and so on. Now let us see the structural levels of proteins. The proteins, they are divided into four categories or they have four structural levels. पहला है हमारे पास primary structure of protein. In primary structure of protein, the amino acids, they are joined together in a linear manner by different peptide bonds. यानी amino acid जैसे ये peptide bond था, इससे जुड़ के thousands, hundreds or even tens of amino acids, they are joined in a linear manner and they form a protein. तो अगर एक डिफरेंट अमाइनो एसिड जुड़ के एक ऐसे लीनियर स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं प्रोटीन्स का, तो इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज कॉल्ड प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चरल लेवल ऑफ प्रोटीन्स एंड this is found in enzyme ribonuclease and enzyme myoglobin. ये जो हमने मसल्स वाले चैप्टर में किया था. All enzymes, they are protein by nature. We will discuss further in enzymes. These two examples of proteins in which primary structure of protein can be seen, they are the enzyme ribonuclease and myoglobin. Then secondary structure of protein. Secondary structure of protein में क्या है कि ये जो पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन थी हमारे पास प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर वाली लीनियर चेन, इट गेट्स कॉइल्ड इनटू अ स्पाइरल. देखो जैसे ये था अमाइनो एसिड ये जुड़े हुए थे in a linear manner. If this linear chain of amino acid, it gets coiled into a spiral, तो ये क्या बन जाता है? This forms the secondary structure of protein. यानी अमाइनो एसिड ये linear chain जो है वो spirally coiled हो गई. अगर हम इसको डिटेल में बनाएं, so this is the secondary structure of protein and the basic spiral is called, this is called the alpha helix, or this helical structure is maintained by hydrogen bonds. देखो ये यहाँ से ऊपर से ये this is maintained by, ताकि ये spiral जो है it does not collapse, it is maintained by, these are the hydrogen bonds present in between, and these, इसमें इस तरह से अमाइनो एसिड्स अरेंज होते हैं कि जितनी भी साइड चेन्स हैं, यानी ये जो आर स्ट्रक्चर है, दैट इज एक्सपोज्ड आउट ऑफ द basic spiral at regular intervals. So this is the secondary structure of proteins, where the polypeptide chain is coiled into a regular spiral. This is a 3-dimensional structure, and the spiral is maintained by the hydrogen bonds at regular intervals, and ये इस तरह से इसमें अमाइनो एसिड्स अरेंज हैं कि जो भी साइड चेन्स हैं दे प्रोजेक्ट आउट ऑफ द दिस स्पाइरल हेलिक्स. समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन्स कि ये जो हमारे पास है दे आर अरेंज्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बीटा प्लीटेड शीट्स. बीटा प्लीटेड शीट्स कैसे, कि ये एक स्पाइरल जो है उसने बनाया है दिस, ये they are parallel arranged. These are the beta pleated sheath. Beta pleated sheath, ये जो हमने ये दिखाया है, this is shown by when these alpha helix they are arranged parallel, they are arranged in a parallel manner. And ये क्या है, this is the secondary structure of proteins and these are joined together. तो इस स्ट्रक्चर को हम क्या बोलते हैं, this is called the beta pleated sheath. और this beta pleated sheath, this structure is seen in a protein called fibrin and silk protein. Silk में एक प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट है, and this structure, helical structure, is seen in keratin of hair. Hairs and nails, they are made up of a dead protein called keratin. तभी तो हम nails और hairs जब काटते हैं तो हमको कोई दर्द नहीं होता. क्यों? Because they are made up of a dead protein, and name of that dead protein is keratin, and this is seen in myosin of muscles. तो हमने क्या देखा, सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन में जो लीनियर स्ट्रक्चर था, इट गेट्स स्पाइरली coiled, and this spiral is maintained by hydrogen bonds. The side chains they project outwards. This gives a 3-dimensional view, and this is seen in keratin of hair and myosin of muscles. And this amino acids, when they are joined together to form a linear chain, this is called a polypeptide chain. Now the several polypeptide chains with secondary structure, they may be held together by hydrogen bonds. These are different polypeptide chains which are running parallel to each other, and they are joined together by hydrogen bonds. और ये जो structure हमको obtain हुआ है इतना, this is called beta pleated sheath, and this is seen in fibrin protein and silk protein.